Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. Oftentimes we have heard that morning thoughts decide our day and our days decide our life. There is something magical about mornings. The gentle rays of the sun, the soft chilliness in the air, the sound of birds waking up, and a sense of hope and joy for the day ahead. As many of you had requested, I am only more than happy to share my productive morning routine with you. So, let's get started. I can't stress this enough. Waking up early gives such a massive control to your day. You can plan things better, get ahead while the world is sleeping, finish so many chores on time, and then have so much time left at your disposal that you can spend efficiently later on. Remember, there is no point complaining about not being able to finish tasks. The key is waking up early. And for that, yes, sleep early. My morning starts at 5:45 to 6 am and I don't jump start. I like to start my day slowly and peacefully. Some of us have the habit of rushing out of bed and going about our chores in a mad hurry. What's the hurry, friends? Take some time off for yourself when the rest of the family is asleep. Like I always say, I make sure I look put together for my own happiness. I take out 15 minutes to simply gaze out and spend some time in my green zone, my balcony. I offer gratitude, I reflect, I plan my day, all with a cup of lemon water or apple cider vinegar as available. Okay, you want to know the secret of my morning? I will tell you a mantra which I follow to structure my day. Divide and conquer. Yes, it's that simple. Let's divide our day according to our lifestyle, our responsibilities. Kitchen time, cooking and cleaning, kids study time, office work, these chores are part of my everyday life. Here, let me share with you my 5 habits or routines I never miss to have a productive day. First, waking up early, exercise, stick to weekly cleaning routine, 1 load of laundry every day, have some me time. These 5 habits help me take control of my task in an efficient way. Not only that, my life is more structured, the house is most of the time clean, tidy and organized. I don't miss important tasks. All in all, life is a bit smoother. So, I would suggest if you want to have a productive day, then divide your day, list out the chores and block your time for each work. Like how much time do we need to spend on cooking or cleaning so that we will be able to do our office work or attend to elderly people at home or other commitments. After I have a little me time in the morning, I bring the milk packets and groceries inside and I make sure to spray down the outside sitting area where they deliver these products and disinfected the doorknobs with Dettol disinfectant spray, as quite often we come out and sit here. Do remember, clean is not necessarily germ-free. So disinfecting the doorknobs is really important in times of the pandemic. We have been using Dettol disinfectant spray on a variety of surfaces to protect us from cold, flu viruses and other disease, as it claims to kill 99.9% bacteria and viruses. I have been using it on different kinds of soft and hard surfaces like carpets, curtains, sofas, chairs, dustbins, kitchen sink, toilet area, etc. Just spray it and leave it for a few seconds to dry. No need to wipe the surface. Next, I boil the milk and start unloading the dishwasher. While the milk is boiling, I arrange the dishes and place them in their assigned places. Then I wash veggies if needed and other necessary chores for that particular day. The next thing I do is load up the washing machine. One load each day. I always try to follow this mantra. It's around 6:30. Now it's time to start exercising. Yoga and exercise can go a really long way in building up immunity. I'm following this walk at home exercise and this helps me stay charged and gives me a sense of achievement. I still miss my morning walks and I'm planning to start that again soon. Being physically fit also means less fatigue and more energy and better mood. What's your favorite exercise plan? Do let me know. It's around 7:10, 7:15ish. We are on Tuesday when I shoot this video, and as you know from my previous video, today is a day for cleaning the living room and dining area. So I surface clean and I disinfectant wherever I feel necessary, then tidy up the place, put things back, change cushion covers if needed, and make the area presentable. It doesn't take more than 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I take a quick shower and get ready for the day.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware.
By 8 am, I try to start my kitchen work, cooking and cleaning. Meantime, hubby and daughter get up and start getting ready for the day. I start with breakfast and tea, of course, and prep for lunch too. Today I am going to prepare bhindi do pyaza, tur ki dal and rice for lunch. I have already soaked this dal and rice so they are ready to cook. I took out some extra dal so that I can make sambar for the dinner.
I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop to think any of this over. So let us just do my love.
By 9, I pack hubby's lunch. We already had our breakfast and Pihu is all set to start her online class and hubby is off to the office.
Tuesday.
While my daughter is attending her online class, I put the laundry to dry, make bed and complete a very quick dusting as our master bedroom gets so much dust throughout the day.
And I'd stop to think any of this over. So let us just
We shopped for grocery, so I'm putting it away.
and see where this road will take us now.
This area needs to be sanitized, and what can be more effective than Dettol spray?
Choosing to walk with the gale.
Pihu has been drooling over this homemade pancake recipe for quite some time and we ran out of it before making another batch. I thought I can share the same with you as well. Check the description box for the detailed recipe.
Do my love, and I'd stop to think any of this over. Let us just
I'm done with preparing breakfast and lunch. Before leaving the kitchen, I put dishes away and keep the sink clear. If you clean as you go, trust me, you will be left with a clutter-free kitchen as well as a clutter-free mind. It's 10 am. Now it's my time to concentrate on my own work while my daughter is still having her online class. I also want to emphasize, in your list of tasks, do take time slot for yourself where you pursue your own passion. It could be writing, painting, singing, dancing, whatever it is important to do something for yourself. You are looking at a picture I am painting, which will come up in our next decor video. We have now started stepping out for some cycling, scootering. So after her classes are over, we like to go down for a while. Not every day, but most of the days, ideally around 12 or 12:30ish, when no one is downstairs much and it is not very crowded and it is not too hot as well. I don't forget to carry my Dettol disinfectant spray. I spray down her cycle's handlebars as we park the scooter and cycle outside of our home. I also make sure to spray down the swing and bench on which we will sit.
See where this road will take.
Once we are back upstairs, we have lunch together and that wraps up my morning routine. There are days that I do my editing or shooting. This day is specifically for my home, my family, and for you, of course. I do hope this has motivated you, and before I leave, remember, mornings can be effective and efficient only when you wake up early. I will leave you with that thought, and please give this video a big thumbs up if you have found it helpful. Also, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures, and life updates. Subscribe to Home #Life. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.